Hello sweeties, welcome back to the channel. It's Sugar here, and today we're going to be doing something just a little bit different. I hope everyone's doing great. This one's going to be for my girlies who are a little bit tired of the lace. Today we're going to be doing a half wig. This is the Remy Illusion Virgin Hair Dupe Easy Swift by the Janet Collection. Warren in 1B. I picked this up in the beauty supply because I just really want to try this. You know, obviously I have my Pixie. I try to make them my everyday, and then I do my lace fronts if the Pixie just isn't, you know, something I want to be bothered with, or you know, but sometimes I don't feel like going to the lace just because I don't feel like doing my hair. So maybe this could be like my in-between. So we're gonna see. So again, this is the card. You can see it real good. You can see she's a nice little shoulder length. I didn't want to do too much. The next one we're going to do is going to be a little bit longer. But this is her. Let's get into the construction. So as you can see, it has one big comb in the front, a big comb in the back, and it does have the adjustable straps. But this is her. I just really love this. I think this really reminds me of a nice little, you know, relaxer curl set back in the day. So yeah, let's see what we can do. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm a little bit nervous because I'm like, oh, do I have enough? Do I have enough? I hope so, because this is so cute. Okay, the darkest wig cap I have is just like dark brown. I don't have any black ones, which is okay. If you don't have one on hand, just use what you have, or the darkest one you have. So I'm gonna try to leave out as little as possible. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna start right there. If I have to pull out more, I can. So we'll start right there. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it on. So now I'm gonna use my little bitty curling iron to try to like bump the hair back that way. I don't think I want to use the hot comb because I don't want it to like look flat right there or nothing. I just want it to like bump back that way. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so that's how it's looking after I bumped it. I can use a little bit of hairspray to help it stay down a little bit more. But for now, that's how it looks. What y'all think so far? Still gotta do my edges, but yeah. I'm not sure if I wanted to use my Nairobi to set my edges so that they can like be fluffy, or if I just want to use like a gel. I'm not sure. You know what? Let's use the Nairobi. We're gonna use the Nairobi. They kind of already doing what they're supposed to do though, but I'm gonna use it.
Hey ladies, so I just wanted to come on really quickly and say yes, the Nairobi was the best choice. I have been wearing this wig like crazy, and I ended up like doing a different style, and so I changed my edges to fit that style better, and I just did 2 swoops and a middle swoop. And what I did was I took my Nairobi, got them right just like I wanted them. I put a styling strip on because, you know, I have a Pixie, so I always have those on hand. I set my edges with a styling strip, blow dried them, combed them out. They've been rocking for days now. They're fluffy, they look good and natural. So yes, look into that if you want the perfect fluffy edges. I will say if you're not a relaxer girly, it might not work as good for you, but I've seen girls do it with a good edge control, but they don't put the edge control all the way down to the end of the edges. They just do it so that the top is held down and then the bottoms are fluffy. You could also try the styling strip method with a gel. So make sure that the styling strip is on tight and you blow dry them. You just have to find your right method.
Okay, so I have some hairspray, just some Tresemme, and I'm gonna lightly spray it there and comb it back into the hair so it kind of sticks down. Okay, and that's really it. We can play with it a little bit. Do we want to toss it? Is it pretty tossed over? What y'all think? Kind of break up the curls with my fingers a little bit. Ooh. Okay. Y'all know I like a little moment, a little dramatic moment. Yeah, I kind of like this. And we did this with a teaspoon of hair. Look at us go. Look at us. I do like the little, you know, I'm a Texas girl, I like big hair. But yeah, that's what she's given. Let's do a little quick, just kind of straight back faux part type of thing. And kind of do it like that. And whichever style, I think I like the thrown over look. My edges are a little bit dramatic, but I don't know, when the girlies do like the quick weaves and they have like the edges and they're kind of like wispy, I don't know, I think it's so cute. But anyways, yeah, like that. Ooh, yes, for a whole new girl. Cause we got us a little half wig, yeah. Ooh, she's a cutie. She's a cutie. Super lightweight too, like really good texture. I want to say it's like a yaki straight. I love that because it's not super shiny. Like it has a really nice luster to it. I love it. Like it doesn't look fake. It's going with my hair so well. Last time I did my hair, I didn't dye it. I was a good girl because I was like, I know I have my little half wig and it looks good. So now my hair is like off black and it matches perfectly. I love it. I hope you guys love it. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you want to see more of this type of content. Tell me what else you want to see. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, girl. And until next time, stay sweet.